Time for us to look at the entertainment stories, and Akosua Takyiwaa is here.
Hey, I don't know what did he. Girl, be a hot girl, be a sexy.
I don't know why, Papa. The cameras love you. You look excellent on TV.
Merci beaucoup.
Okay. And so, tell us what's going on in the world of
and that's my fancy because I was in Cape over the weekend. Tell me how fancy. It's your call Oguaa Fetu Afahye for the Orange Friday, of course, for the event itself as in festival. And it's me hear what really happened over the weekend at Cape Coast. So I'm on the TV about Cape Coast. Now the 60th anniversary for Oguaa Fetu Afahye. Now Ushamechi has a manful age na ho. Ushamela side as well. A manful jina ho. Kwani muda ho. All because we are waiting for the main train. Dom Kesipa Eriba. All matunidi. The Orange Friday. A massive carnival Akosua every year. Now this year, no, the whole town is filled up because this year is so big. A manful Fetu Afahye, just say all around the region, Abba, to celebrate the 60th anniversary for Oguaa Fetu Afahye happening here at Cape Coast.
We in our fashion, into the guy, them way as a band. All the Friday.
So the Friday banner march you. So every year be addressed today.
Yeah.
Okay, what's way? Let's just tell me who many me. Much any day, Anna.
Because we're here to see our family that's originally from Ghana, but we're here from the U.S., Manhattan, New York.
Okay, and so far, how are you seeing it? Is it fun as expected?
I'm welcomed home.
Okay, all right. What about you, ma'am?
It's beautiful.
Is it your first time in Ghana?
Yes, it is.
And first time experiencing Orange Friday, I guess.
Yeah, this orange was explained to us by Nana. Where is Nana?
Do you mind sharing it with our viewers? What Orange Friday really means?
That freedom is not free.
Come again?
Freedom is not free.
Freedom is not free. What about you, ma'am? Are you having fun in Cape Coast?
Having a wonderful time in Cape Coast.
Your first time as well?
First time, and it's exciting to be here during this festival time when you are celebrating, your freedom and everything else that's happening in your country. And it's beautiful. I really feel welcome in Ghana and feel part of the community and culture here.
What is that one thing you are taking away?
That the people look like us, and there's a sameness about us as being here, and that we live in United States. So we also have Caribbean roots, and it reminds you of the Caribbean. So you see the closeness of the countries, even though we so far away across the Atlantic. We are one. We are one.
This year, fashion ehuni then. I say it, boy. It's one of my men. I better catch you next year. That one brand now when you have a one who papa. Come on, Shazi. I say it, born. All move. It's by next year. Me here, Biara. Oh, Cape Coast. I'm not sure what. I want to one yard. Oh, quarter. Two fingers. I want to dance.
Well, for Shaz in there. For Shaz was town him. Yeah, they were not say, well, whom will look at that.
Madam, who be back.
I am you're the man showing Friday at 10
It's a BBI makes it scenario.
In your demand not see.
Now, if you had another, your whole.
Oh, so far, if you commander.
Okay.
But me, Ejuma had it.
I fashion it's now, baby. You went round, I Ejuma had it.
Ejuma and Mayan Waha. And I true Ejuma and Mayan one house, you didn't know my fashion. You didn't name in your baby, maybe. Okay. In your baby, maybe. And your baby, maybe. Never not see.
What I say? Now, last year and this year, fashion then.
Oh, I don't quite a copy. Last year, you was according to this year, no, you can't percentage. No, like Yama average, this year's no was so.
Oh, was so, Papa, because baby, I am oh, baby, I am. In
fact, remember, Campo, dear UCC, my far. I hear fine for Abram could pay more. I hear fine for some about Terry Jan, Cape Coast.
Get your easy.
Onye easy. In fact, my say fuel papa san medu hade.
But in Chapel me be sunanye.
Jare ade mo ayo super yenye bi because aye nti.
Okay, so we are here at the Fetu Afahye ongoing at Cape Coast. And as you can see, I'm here with the diasporan. I'd like to ask if this is your first time experiencing the Orange Festival.
Yeah, it's also my first time in Ghana.
Wow, that's wonderful. So what have you seen so far since you came in?
I was in Accra, and also I was in Emina, and in a small fisherman village. And then we went here like 2 days ago.
Okay. So who convinced you to come here? I mean, what do you think is here that you'd want to see?
Like I got recommended by a few friends who are Ghanaian. And they said the nicest people are in Ghana.
Okay, first of all, what family be with you?
Okay.
What family be with you? The most your family, I'm no ma. Buy a menu, I mean, on Orange Friday, Yan Yankopa Yadama, China Yan Fetu Afahye, and then to my enemy. Yeah, menu a pink and Mampa one year pink. So Meshambo one, a man, Mamma, Musula, and your pinker, or the Moboto. And then to Mamma, many Musuya pink.
Dress body from Mutsiko to orange.
But many orange paint, that's why. It's an orange in easy, or shower your clothes, them over what me, or you shine in a pair.
Okay. When I see. Yes, so interviews, fancy no bim. Interviews before the main carnival. Now, the theme for this year was celebrating first in city. So what Shema, not everything first happened in Cape Coast. Now, you can hear slave trade, you know, how what make doing the Orange Friday. So this is the main activity for the Orange Friday, a carnival. Now something unique happened this year. Normally, no, every year, no, Orange Friday and the carnival was starting in the area, but this year was starting in Enyumri. Yes, it was Enyumri, and the crowd was massive. So what you're seeing now, no, what happened? Yes, in the centuries, young great fathers and mothers, what they went through. So this is the carnival. It happened on Friday. The Orange Friday. Orange Friday. No culture kakra. But the most important is to remember our forefathers and then what they went through. And then this is the slave trade, you know, and occurred. So all this happened in Umri, in Mesana Mohono. It's the Nanom and now what come easy. Yeah, evening crowd, no doma e buy young Kwashembra. Any the evening crowd and they see our Orange Friday, no, and that of course, you sound so Elmina, and then that I check a crack, and then so you go here Elmina so Embra. When you have not then
you are doing what wasn't
not do me, we not found it
from Charles.
Okay, Charles, now, you know, I abade. Me would eat a fish. Now me will be wa had or yabade.
Where your octopus
Octopus? Yeah. Wow, what's a make camera? So this is real octopus?
Yeah.
Wow, it's saying Namu you are the man swim.
And but you know,
okay, now me would the movie yinya maybe wo. Oya net name. Why do you do that?
Yeah, net ni send a bear to me the alcobione to me a cafe, different ones, you're the abba.
Okay. It's in the Padomia the way you every time. It's not consume be I by what they eat in your man woman.
Your own was the call, and your own sword the basai.
See, I can name them types, Benamunya or them and Simu. But first of all, Nami Namunya on Suyemu.
I mean, I hear with you.
Wow, it's now different types, Benamunya.
Different. We are no gumino. Your room, and your cocoa. We are Willie. Willie.
Camera, Willie, Anna Willie.
Oh, Willie.
Hey, it's the Mamma here of a Willie. ewele. Okay, and then which one else? Hey, memwe. What find then?
Ofokonto. This one is Ofokonto. But normal we call us Bobble.
Bobble. Anna Efo control. Interesting names. And yeah. And yeah, redfish, Anna.
We are review.
Oh wow, so this is not redfish. Yeah, we do our fish is small, but the animal is fish. Yeah, well, wule, wuru, and then kukurudu, and
And this one is Tantre.
Tantre.
Wow. We always call us Abrawa.
What?
Abrawa.
Abrawa. Oh, so that's Dr. Fish.
This is Dr. Fish.
Wow.
Dr. Fish.
Wow. Full of education here, so that make you know. So this is Coco Taye.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. All right. Now, men will be where they are, but
fish.
Okay. So, mommy, here cotton, 2 fingers, cotton. Personally, me who you be that. It tell you what to me. Oh, because if any fish is not know what to me.
We fish, we your cotton, we wheezy. Okay. Where's the best cotton? We go to me use your abiankwan or light soup. Wow. What you say for a stew?
Cotton is stew. Wow.
It's way you may be.
It's on a normal day. I've been time. Na moko airpodo.
I call Monday to Sunday, Tuesday and come.
Munko Tuesday. Why? Why don't you go on Tuesday?
Day. The rest.
Mati da Echo Tuesday airpodo do be kwampa.
They have open no call about I bend down my ass there. Tuesday, no me phone call pono. The Tuesday and come.
Oh, okay. All right. Na moko bia ya munya fish.
Tia no ne Miss Experience kakra me gather ewo Elmina na me the fish different types I bet you ewule wuri and all that. Nyama be time into me and funny na and so but you can follow us on social media. We'll be uploading some of the videos there as well. Na wahe. Fa as Sedake. So before that, social media no Instagram Max TV Ghana, Facebook so Max TV Ghana. So you can kindly follow us. Ubehu videos in na ewo ho. A big thank you going out to Omomoso Yasimai Ejiane ewo Cape Coast Stadium Restaurant. Adamwa super brave. The food was delicious. Hey, Ejanu Penny and the tilapia and quite kakra. Goat live soup kakra. Mr. Frank, thank you so much. The reception was amazing. Most services is top notch. The one was 7 year old. It was beautiful. The place was neat. Oko Cape Coast now pe baby debi and pa. And now the season if you know, you know. It's the place to go. Cape Coast restaurants. Oh, jollof, no sensational. Everybody enjoyed them. You maybe say we do fufu when I go to Miss Chicken. It was so delicious. Thank you so very much, Mr. Frank, for hosting us. Yadawa Sibibwe Stadium Restaurants is the place whenever you visit Cape Coast. Omowa Botare, Ombeseville, fine. The place is so beautiful. So Joy, that's what happened. Me the weekend we quite chilly. Chilly what Cape Coast. There's a top here up with Stadium Restaurant. Yeah. And it was just give it. I had so much fun in Cape Coast.
I've seen videos of Adoma and Sensation.
Oh, double. Novella, double.
It was big.
Yeah.
Akosua, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me, Joy.